Okay guys, we are about to cook something. What are we cooking today, Kat?
A parrillada for my brother's birthday.
Parrillada.
We're going to do chicken, sausage, beef. Eric's doing the shrimp. Ready?
And I am the Blackstone master. So I just cook. Kathy gets everything ready.
A prepper.
She's prepper. And we got, look, I guess the food attracted some people coming over here.
The food's attracting natives.
It brought a bottle or something.
I go, what bottles or something? The neighbors. You need to wash your hands real quick, okay?
Painful. Hear that sound? That's the sound of chicken. As Kathy said, that's the sound of going down. And over here it looks like we got beans and shrimp going over here at the Iron Eagle grill. And I'm in charge of the chicken and sausage.
That's a nice gift. Who bought it for you? Who bought it for you?
And Kathy's covering the grill. Okay, Kathy's cutting up all the chicken now.
It's almost halfway done.
Yeah, to make it cook faster.
Yeah, yeah.
Watch out, you're getting close to that hole.
Yeah. You have a little Eric ready to put a little bit of pepper in a minute.
The pepper. Everybody liking the pepper? Kathy's gonna put a, what are you putting on there?
A little bell pepper Eric got just to give it some flavor.
Bam!
Bam!
Kathy said bam!
But I'm gonna save some because we still have the beef. Is the chicken almost done?
No, it's pink.
Okay, I'm gonna cover it up.
Pink and rubbery. The sun's setting over here right there. But I don't know if you could see it on the camera. Right about here, there's something that's pink. Almost like a rainbow, but it's not. I don't know. I guess it's the sun shining through a cloud or something. Kind of interesting. And I guess we'll get a good sunset over here. Oh, even here on that side. Like over there by that tree. You can kind of see it's kind of pink. I don't think it's a rainbow. It's just a weird thing. That's weird.
Happy birthday.
Okay, we got the sausage mix in there and a happy birthday people singing.
Happy birthday. Hi everybody.
And I got the sausage in there. Hope we don't get copyright for that. The sun's still going down. Check it out.
Happy birthday.
As the sun sets, Kathy's gonna throw the beef on. Beef fajitas. Fajita. So we got the chicken fajita cooked. We got the sausage cooked. Iron Eagle was cooking the shrimp. And this should be it. And then after that, we're gonna mix it all together.
Yeah. There you go. Where's the beef?
Where's the beef? It's right here.
I'll walk over and throw this in the press.
So like beef, you don't need to cook that long, like 30 seconds each side and we're ready. Only. No?
No.
Okay.
No.
Have to cook it a little bit longer than that, guys.
We don't eat raw meat.
Okay guys, I'm gonna flip this. I was gonna call them steaks. I'm gonna flip the fajitas. A little burn on them.
I know there's a certain way you're supposed to cut these suckers. Against the grain or with the grain or...
I think it's, that one's too.
We're like, oh.
I think it's against the grain. I don't know. I think Mr. Google will tell us in a minute.
Alright.
So I'll give that other side 25-second burn, and then we'll be good. Oh, no?
No.
Got to do it longer than that. Kathy doesn't. Look at that sunset, guys. Isn't that sunset cool? Off into
You
the
can see the little, I don't know if you can see it on there, but you can see the whatever that is jet making a streak.
A comet.
Yeah.
No, it's a jet.
It is a beautiful sunset tonight. Saturday, December 13th. My brother's birthday, 46.
Happy birthday, Iron Eagle.
Yeah.
Check his channel out.
Yes,
Go ahead and
please.
like and subscribe.
Yeah, it's a beautiful area. We planning on coming back here for, si Dios quiere, for summer. Take advantage of that pool.
Yeah. What do you guys think? Maybe we should have a meetup here one year. This is a nice place to have a meetup. It's a little more pricey than the state park, but not bad.
Where are they going?
Going for a ride. Going for a cruise.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, and if you could, please watch some of our older videos or even a playlist to help us increase our watch hours so we could get monetized. Thank you all, and God bless.